अंतरिक्षं महित्वा उपस्थे देव्यविवेकिमन्नागमन्नाध्यायादवे आयञ्जौ श्रीरक्रमीदधनन्मादरं पुनः पितरं च प्रयं शुवः कन्यावरणं च करिष्यामः ஆமா நீங்களும் கன்னியாவரணத்துக்கு நாலு பெரியவா இதுக்கு அனுப்புவோம் தூது மாதிரி அனுப்புவோம் போய் ஆண்டால கூட்டின்னு வரது சரி அதனால அதுக்கு நிற்கணும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்வரூப் சுவாமி இருக்கார் அங்கே வந்துடும் அங்கே கேமரா கொடுங்க நீங்கள் வாங்க அப்படியே வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன் சரி மாமா இல்லை இவர் தகவல் அப்படியே வீடியோ அப்படியே இது பண்ணிக்கணும் கன்னியாவரணத்துக்கு प्रसुत्मन्दाधियसानस्य सक्षणिवरेभिर्भरागम् अभिषुप्रसीदत अस्माकमिन्द्रमुभयञ्जुजोषति यः सौम्यस्यान्धसो बोधति
வீடியோ பாதிக்க எனக்கு வேற தெரியாது.
I'm explaining about Kanyavaranam in every Kalyanotsavam. But in this Kanyavaranam, this is not Srinivasa sending to Bhrigu Maharshi and Kasyapa Maharshi. This Kanyavaranam, Varanam means selection. Kanyavaranam, selecting the Kanya, girl. So here our boy, he is not a boy. He is Ranganatha. Ranganatha means, Natha means husband. Rangam means what? Rangam means stage. The entire universe is a stage, and he is the Sutradhari, he is the lord of the stage. So he is called Ranganatha. So the Ranganatha, there is a very traditional Brahmana in Villiputtur, Sri Villiputtur. His name
is not Santanam. No, his name is Santanam.
Vishnu Chitta. And Vishnu Chitta is a great devotee of Sriman Narayana. And when I remember Vishnu Chitta, I remember a poetic work, Amukta Malyada by Krishnadevaraya in Telugu. In that, there is a beautiful shloka. The entire work is in Telugu, but there is only one shloka in Sanskrit. When Vishnu Chitta does tapas, when Sriman Narayana Pratyaksham, when Sriman Narayana comes to Vishnu Chitta does the Dashavatara Stotram. Jaya Jaya Danavatārana Kārana Shankara Dhanga Gadasidhara Jaya Jaya Chandra Dinendra Shatayuta Sandra Sharira Mahaprahara Jaya Jaya Tamara Sodara Sodara Charupado Ganga Jhara Jaya Jaya Keshava Keshini Sudana Shauri Sharajjala Jakshahari. That is the first shloka. Krishnadevaraya writes Namukta Malyada. And then other slokas, 10 slokas on Dashavatārams will be in Telugu. So, such a great devotee, Sriman Narayana Sakshatkaram he got. And that Vishnu Chitta, he got a baby girl in the Tulasi Kananam, Tulasi Vanam. And he named her Goda. And this Goda, every day he used to do Kaikaryam. I request our Santanam to explain in 2 minutes about Anga. Then we will enter into the Kanyavaranam. Because he is representing Vishnu Chitta here. Now he is Kanyadata.
So, general பேசு அந்த மாதிரி பேசு.
What happened? Just Malay. Say something. What happened in your village?
Okay.
சூடி கொடுத்தனாச்சு கதை சொல்றேன்.
Adiyan Ramanandasan. So Adiyan is from Sriviliputtur, where Andal, as the Diksha Swami said, Andal was born there to the great Periyalvar. So actually yesterday was Tiruvadipuram, where that is the birthday of Andal, and Andal was found in a small Tulasi plant. Even today there is a small Sannidhi where they maintain that exact place where she was born. And Andal is none other than our Bhumi Pirati, and she came to this world to just give a message that she got from Varaha Perumal. So we were discussing that yesterday during Tiruvadipuram, and let me not go into the details, but let me just tell what is the brief message of that. So Varaha Perumal gave us all, we know Varaha Charama Slokam, and he also told Bhumi Pirati what's the easiest way to reach Perumal, that is him, right? So, வாயினால் பாடி மனத்தினால் சிந்தித்து தூமலர் துவைத்தது is what Varaha Perumal told Bhumi Pirati, and to exactly send that message for the upliftment of all we people, Bhumi Pirati came and she incarnated as Andal in that beautiful Srivilliputturu. Okay, so that is what Andal's incarnation was. And imagine Periyalvar, he actually sang this Tirupallanda and Periyalvar Tirumozhi. So in that Periyalvar Tirumozhi, he imagined himself to be Yashoda, and he sang a number of pasrams where he imagined himself to be Yashoda, and he would ask baby Krishna to come and take a bath, and then he would comb Krishna's hair, and then he would feed Krishna by just showing him the nature, like he will show the birds and etc. So for him, there is nothing more than Perumal's welfare. So he doesn't care about himself. All he wanted was the Perumal to be happy forever. So he sang this Tirupallanda, whereby he does Mangala Sasanam to Perumal. But he sang Pallandu, Pallandu, Pallayirattandu. So he sang, let Perumal live for 1,000 years, for one more 1,000 years, like that for 100 more 1,000 years. So Pallandu, Pallandu, Pallayirattandu, Pala Kodi Nooraayiram, Mallanda Tindol Manivanna, Un Sevadi Sevi Tirukkaappu, he sang. So Perumal showed him the shoulders, right? And Perumal thought, okay, look at my shoulders, it is very broad and I can protect all my enemies. So, but Periyalvar was not at all convinced, because he thought, okay, because you have this broad shoulders, people will come and be ready to fight with you. So I am afraid. So let me sing Tirupallanda for your shoulders. Mallanda Tindol Medivanna, Un Sevadi Sevi Tirukkaappu. Tirukkaappu is my way of protecting yourself. And then he also sang Adiyomodam Ninnodam Tiruvenni Ayiram Pallandu Vadivarin Valamarbil. That is, he sang Pallandu to Pirati, who was in the chest of Perumal. Vadivarin Valamaril Vadinna Mangayam Pallandu Vadivar Sodi Valatturayum Sudarariyam Pallandu. So Perumal, as we all know, he has Sudarshan Chakram in his right hand. So that Sudarshan Chakram is very powerful, and it always goes, and then before even Perumal can think about destroying his enemies, it goes away. Okay, so and then he sings Pallandu to Sudarshan Chakram, and finally, not able to withstand the beauty of Perumal with that Sudarshan Chakram and Panchasanyam, he sings Mangala Sasanam to both. So like that, he composes all this Tirupallanda and then Periyalvar Tirumozhi, and he raised Krishna literally as Yashoda, and so similarly he sang 461 pasrams in Periyalvar Tirumozhi, whereby one cannot read that Periyalvar Tirumozhi without dropping tears. Okay, so imagine this is just a bound. Okay, but for Andal, it is not a bound. It was Sakshat, his daughter. So imagine how lucky Andal would have been, or vice versa. Or Periyalvar is very lucky to raise Andal as his own daughter. So imagine how lucky both are mutually. So that is a small just about. And Andal, we celebrate Andal as Chudi Kodata Sudarkudi. She sang pasrams, 30 pasrams in Tirupavai and 143 pasrams in Nachar Tirumozhi. So he tied Ranganatha with not only the garland that she wore, but she also tied him with the poems, that is the pasrams that she sang. So we said Sudi Kodutha Nappavale, Pumale, Sudi Koduthale Chollu. So she tied by both these means. So that is.
So your girl sent a Uchishta Malika to Ranganatha. Uchishtam, right? Uchishtam means which we use and throw, right? So Uchishta Malika Bandha Gandha Bandhura Jishnave. She wore garlands and then sent to Ranganatha. And Ranganatha liked those garlands naturally. So our Ranganatha wants Andal, your daughter. Though she wore garlands and sent the Uchishta Malika to our Ranganatha likes those garlands. So our Ranganatha wants to marry your girl. That is why we request these elderly people, 4 elderly people, according to Shastra, चतुस्सागरपर्यन्तं
गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभं भवतु आङ्गीरसमानविषयप्रविरान्वितगोत्राय
अचिन्त्याद्भुत नित्य यौवन स्वभाव लावण्य रत्नाकराय अखिल लोक पवित्र गोत्राय आदिमध्यान्तरहिताय श्री रंगराज ब्रह्मणे वराय. So our boy today he is not Srinivasa, he is Rangaraja. Because last few years I have been saying the Srinivasa. So our yesterday Ghosti people they got angry with me. Why are you saying, how come you are saying Srinivasa? Andal married Ranganatha, not Srinivasa. So today our boy changed his name, he is Rangaraja now. So Rangaraja, he has no father, no mother. Achintya Adbhuta Nitya Yavana Swabhava Lavanya Ratnakaraya Achintya, unimaginable. We cannot imagine. Yado vajo nivattante aprapya manasasa. We cannot imagine him with our limited knowledge. Achintya Adbhutam. And that Adbhutam, how Adbhutam, we don't know. We cannot count. Nitya Yavana, how old is he? How old is he? If he is Srinivasa, he is so young. If he is Ranganatha, he is so old. He is older than the oldest, he is younger than the youngest. So Nitya Yavana, he is always young. Swabhava Lavanya Ratnakaraya, and he is the ocean of all good qualities. Akhila Loka Pavitra Gotraya, Adi Madhyantarahitaya, Adi Madhya Antam he doesn't have. No birth, no death. So our boy, and people criticize he is dark, he is black, but it is not black, it is a universal color. Why I am telling all this, you have to explain and you have to convince them for the Kanyadana. So, Sri Rangaraja Artham Godam Prunitham Varatham Kanya Prunitham. So this is the travel elements from our boy. Yeah, Perumal is giving Dakshina to you. So now, we are in Sri Lanka, we are not in Redmond. Rangapuri, we are not Redmond. So from Rangapuri, these four elderly people went to Srivilliputturu. And they had darshan of Vadapatra Shahi, and then they went to Vishnu Chitta, representatives of Vishnu Chitta. Chatussagarapariyantam go brahmanebhyo shubham bhavatu angirasvaratvaja triyavesha pravran vidatvaja gotraya adityaadbhutanityayamasvalavanyanapraya adityagovitragotraya adivantyantarahitaya Sri Rangaraja Brahmane Rangaraja Ardham Godam Vrunimahe Varadham Kanyam Vrunimahe. So they are requesting you. We heard you have a girl at your home. So our boy wants to marry her. So they are requesting you. Vrunimahe, we selected your girl for our boy. So this is our tradition. Boy doesn't select, the elders select. So they selected your girl. Now you have to say your acceptance for the Kanyadana. Tridasyamaha. So they said Tridasyamaha. So they accepted the price not once.
Swami, எப்படி பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க? Swami, இதை பாஸ் எப்படி பண்ணுங்க?
பாஸ் பண்ணுமா அப்படியே ஆஃப் பண்ண தெரியல. 20 minutes ஓடி இருக்குல்ல. அப்படியே ஆஃப்.